Good morning, my dear friends, and the people with growth mindset, with developing mindset. If you want to grow ahead in your life, then this video is for you. As you know that I am a holistic child development coach Sake and founder of Taxila Online University. Being a teacher, I have the experience for 10 years. After becoming a teacher, 10 years have been passed. When I became a teacher, I found that 99.99% of the students are facing the problem of memorization. And because of this problem, they can't grow ahead. Because of this problem, they can't crack any competitive examination. And because of this problem, they can't score high. Because memorizing digits, memorizing the years, memorizing the sections and subsections of constitution, they can't get high marks. But I have a wonderful solution for you with very little investment of time, energy and money, all of them. After becoming a teacher, I was very much curious about memorization development technique, and I came in contact of lots of trainers. They claim that they have wonderful ideas, wonderful techniques. Their students can perform better, but they can't perform well. This is the most difficult thing. Why? When your students are performing better, why not you? You should perform better. Since I have taken training from them, so that's why I shouldn't speak like that. And meanwhile, I came in contact of Dr. Anup Banerjee sir. Anup Banerjee sir, he is also a wonderful trainer and ex-commandant in West Bengal Police. The commandants are very disciplined, very dedicated, very motivated people. He also took lots of trainings from great mentors, and he is really a memory master coach and the author of 6 wonderful books. His books has been preferred in America, Canada and Australia mostly. And he is a life training coach, a motivational speaker and great psychologist. He got the degree of doctorate. We can understand about his quality. And he is very fast reader. He can finish 1000 words within a minute. So my dear friends, this is the best person to take coaching from you. And after becoming his student, I am the best version of myself. I can get up early in the morning. I can recall 100 points at a straight fraction of minute. Why? Because of taking training from him. See what happens. What is the meaning of recalling 100 points? Means reading, taking 100 points from a book. Means I am able to recall one book with the help of memorizing 100 points. This is the wonderful thing. And this is the best thing for students, for the teachers. And as I told about the demonstration of the performer, of the trainers, of the mentors, he can easily remember the pi value up to 2000 digits. 2000 digits. It is not very easy task for those who don't know this art, this skill. This is an art, this is a skill. So that's why if you want to be a great performer in your life, all the problems are associated with lack of memory. And if you want to be a great performer, if you want to be a great achiever, if you want to be high scoring student in your competitive examination or any academic examination, then a wonderful opportunity is waiting for you. So that's why I'm telling you that he is a wonderful trainer, wonderful coach, and you will get always his cooperating with hand with you. And all the times he will give you very simple problems, very simple solutions for your very difficult problems, because he is a great kind of psychologist. Now I am telling you one more thing, that One more thing is there, that is hectic schedule. What is hectic schedule? Everybody is facing for that, but he has a wonderful strategy from getting rid of this hectic schedule. He will set a wonderful plan, a wonderful time management for you, and you will be the best version of yourself. I I was suffering from this hectic schedule, but he managed my time, and his training starts early in the morning. What happens when you get up early in the morning? Our time is well managed. We can finish our work before the time limit, before the deadline. So that's why everyone's situation is different, everyone's problem is different, and there are different ways to solve it, and all the ways are not implementable by all. One problem, one solution may be fit for one problem, but all the problems can't fit for all the situations, all the solutions. So that's why if you want to take a great mentor, if you want to hire a great mentor in your life, Sachin was a wonderful batsman, but he has a mentor. He had a mentor, Ramakant, late Ramakant Acharikar. He was a great person, a great mentor. So all the great people has great mentors. So if you want to grow in your life, if you want to get success in your life, then why are you waiting for? Just join in this class and become the best version of yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you so much.